Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the platform of Pharmapedia once again with a new topic of the same series, that is interpretation of CBC. So today I will discuss about the complete picture of the RBC only. Objective of the today's video are discuss the different parts of the complete blood count and how to interpret them, also the factors and the condition that may impact the CBC result, and the role of the peripheral blood cells. So let's begin the video. Complete blood count, one of the most commonly ordered laboratory tests and the most ordered test in the hematological lab, measure of the cellular component in the blood, that are the WBC, RBC and platelets. Also provide the additional information about the properties of RBC. Specimen collection. Specimen is collected in the purple top bottle in which the EDTA is already present. Then the facilitator mix and done the test within the 6 to 8 hours. It must be stored at the room temperature for its stability purpose. Specimen processing. First pre-analytical processing, then it was seen in the automatic analysis machine. Specimens are placed on the hematological analyzer to be tested. Here you can see the cell histogram, which is seen in the initial report of the CBC, in which the hematologist measure only the number and the size of the cell. This graph is only read by the hematologist. Purpose of the manual microscopy: confirm the WBC and platelet value from the analyzer, visualize the RBC morphology, size, coloration, shape of the RBC, assess the WBC present, individual cell type of the WBC present. As you can know, there are the 5 types of the WBC as I described in my previous video. If you still didn't see that video, so go and watch that video first. And also the abnormal appearance of the WBC. So what next? Erythrocytes. As you can know, erythrocyte is the another name of the RBC. RBC, what is the function of the RBC? It delivers the oxygen throughout the body, and its reference range is 4.5 to the 5.5 million per microliter. 120 days is the lifespan of the erythrocyte, that means the RBCs. It is higher in male and in newborns. Now what is the size of RBCs? These are the abnormal size of the RBCs that must be the indicative of some hematological disorders. Reticulocytes are the immature RBCs, indicate the marrow activity. Why it indicate the marrow activity? Because the reticulocytes are formed from the bone marrow. That's why it indicate the activity of the bone marrow. It's present in the 0.5 to the 2.5% of all the RBC. Polychromasia is a condition that is caused by the elevated ranges of the reticulocytes in the CBC. Hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is the component that carries the oxygen within the RBC, because heme, as you can know, contain the oxygen and the iron, that is a red pigment. It gives the red color pigment to the hemoglobin or the RBCs. Globulin is protein. Lab value assess the HB composition. Newborn having the high level of the hemoglobin. Now what is the hemocrite? Hemocrite is the proportion of the RBC to the plasma. Here you can see the plasma in the yellow color test tube. In the test tube you can see the yellow color, that is a plasma, and in the lower part you can see the red colored liquid, that is a hemocrite. So the proportion of the RBC to the plasma is known as the hemocrite, and it is used to assess the extent of patient blood loss. Its reference range must be 36 to 52%. In male it is higher, that is 42 to 52%, and in female 36 to 47%. It is sometimes the unitless. decrease RBC, HB, and hematocrit. That means the RBC, red blood cells, HB is the hemoglobin, and HCT is the hematocrit. What is the reasons that cause the decreased levels of these three parameters? That is the anemia. Chronic blood loss, obviously because of the blood loss, RBC decreases, HB decreases in the body. Acute hemorrhage, hemolysis, and bone marrow suppression. Also the nutritional deficiency, because in the nutritional deficiency there is no consumption of the iron, folic acid, and vitamin B12, and these are the essential components for the formation of RBC or hemoglobin. Increase RBC, hemoglobin, and hematocrit, and these are the reasons of the increased RBC, hemoglobin, and hematocrit, that are the polycythemia. Polycythemia, that means increase in the hematocrit or the HB count. What are the reasons that cause the polycythemia? It is caused by the primary and the secondary cause, by the primary and secondary. And the major cause of the polycythemia are the smoking and the alcohol consumption. And other causes that cause increased RBC, hemoglobin, and HCD are the hypoxic condition, high altitude cardiovascular disease, chronic lung disease, and congenital heart defects.